So I wanted to show you, I got this set. There's actually 8 of them in the package. There are these 16-ounce jars in, and they sent these to us so we could show them to you, but they're actually a overnight oats kind of a jar, but you can use them for anything. And I actually went around the house and collected them all up so I could show you all the different things. We got some in the office for office supplies. This one happens to have paper clips in it, and this is just an empty one. I can just show you. They have a really nice lid on them and stuff. They're kind of a wooden, and they have a nice seal inside. I'll show you here, because they are designed for like overnight oats and stuff like that. And this one has some oatmeal in it and stuff that we're overnight oating there and stuff. But like, it's got this nice rubber gaskety thing inside there, and so really nice. I think they have them in 8-ounce and 16-ounce here. And this one has some dog treats in it. This one has the Wet Noses dog cookies in it here. These are the dog treats. These are over by the dog stuff there. We keep those over there. And so yeah, we use them for all different kinds of stuff. We have them in the office. I think we have some out in jar out in the shed for has some little hardware type things in it and stuff. So yeah, we use them for everything. They're so handy. So thanks for sending those to us, because like we're just using them like all over the place. Came in an 8-pack. So yeah, thanks for sending those. Or you can just use them for anything. They're just so awesome. So thank you.